I'm gonna be okay, 'cause I know I'll be alright, even if it kills me.